Guys, this is Keegan Lanier with KL Designs, bringing you another great WordPress tutorial. Today what we're going to be talking about is installing a new theme. So when you're in your WordPress environment, the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to Appearance and Themes. And here's where you're going to have the presets. So WordPress is going to come with a few, the 2014, 15, and 16 by default. But these are bare bones, and these are they don't give you a whole lot of stuff to do. So here's where we're going to go. You go to Add New, and we've already downloaded a theme, one that I've actually purchased. So if you just go to Add Themes, you can see there's quite a few free options and some things that will definitely work for your site. On a complete side note, there's one called Human and Being Human. These two right here are great free themes that are they're really flexible and allow you to do some cool things on a budget. But like I said, we've already purchased a theme that we're gonna install from a local source. So we've already got a theme stored locally that we're gonna upload the zip file. So it's critical. You want to make sure that your file that you're uploading is compressed. It isn't a zip file. It cannot be the individual file. So first things first is you want to make sure you're a zip file. So click Upload Theme, choose File, and then we're going to navigate to our file. So we're looking down here in the zip files, and we have the Avada theme. So here is everything that's in it. This is what makes up the theme itself, but this is the uncompressed version. We need a zip file of that folder. So here it is. We're going to select Open. Press Install Now. WordPress will do its thing. You'll see in the bottom left-hand corner an upload status. Alright, so we're almost installed. So once the installation process is done, you're going to install the theme. Theme was successful. You can do a live preview, activate, or returns to the theme page. I know this is a great theme. We're going to go ahead and activate it because this is the theme that I want to go with. So welcome. We're good. It requires that you install the Fusion Core for this particular theme. So we're going to go to the plugin, do a quick install, and then we'll show you what was a sample page before is now going to have the Avada theme. So hello, welcome world. Looks a lot different than it did just a minute ago. And this gives you the basics. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's how you install a new theme in WordPress. Catch up with you next time.